In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Getresponse funnel. We'll walk through the process from the moment you log in, so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll have a basic funnel ready to start building your email list using a lead magnet. Once you're inside your Getresponse account, the first thing you want to do is head to the top navigation bar. Look for the option labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select Conversion Funnel. This is where Getresponse keeps all of its funnel building features, including list building, sales, and webinar funnels. But today, we're focusing specifically on building a funnel to grow your email list. When the Conversion Funnel section opens, you'll see an option to create something new. Click the button that says Create Funnel. Getresponse will now ask you to give your funnel a name. Choose something that makes sense for you and is easy to recognize later, like free ebook funnel or newsletter lead magnet. Naming your funnel clearly will help you stay organized, especially as you start creating more than one. After entering your funnel name, you'll see a few different goals you can choose from. Since our goal here is to grow an email list, select the option labeled Build a List. This tells Getresponse that you want your funnel optimized for capturing new subscribers, rather than selling a product or hosting a webinar. Once you've selected Build a List, confirm your choice to move to the next screen. Now it's time to set the more specific goal for this funnel. Among the available funnel types, choose Lead Magnet Funnel. A lead magnet funnel is designed around offering something valuable for free, like a guide, a checklist, a video, or another resource, in exchange for someone's email address. This is one of the most effective ways to attract new subscribers who are genuinely interested in what you offer. After selecting Lead Magnet Funnel, Getresponse will prompt you to choose an existing lead magnet from your account. This means you should already have a lead magnet uploaded or created in Getresponse. Pick the one you want to use for this funnel. If you have multiple options, choose the one most relevant to the audience you're targeting. Once you've selected your lead magnet, your basic Getresponse funnel structure is in place and ready for customization.